Alrighty, guys, let's go. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you guys are having a fantastic morning. I will say stocks are all over the place, and like Bill W said, yeah, go Keisha. Yesterday she was talking about Bank of America all morning, and man, Bank of America had a fantastic time during the live stream yesterday. It ended up exploding all the way up, coming all the way back down, and then going all the way back up all during the stream yesterday, and then it also just continued to go up again here. Keisha was talking about Bank of America a ton in yesterday's stream, but man, it is a crazy thing to see stocks running up as much as they are this morning. I noticed MU or Micron is killing it today. They are straight up exploding. BABA is running up, which is amazing. It is seriously a pretty good morning here for many stocks in the market. Now, personally, a lot of China stocks are up today, like BABA. I like China stocks. Just playing them after the market opens on the US market is just kind of whack to me. So I don't know. I don't like really day trading the China stocks too much, but it is what it is. That's just my opinion. I'd rather trade AMD or something with better movement, you know, once the market actually opens. The thing with China stocks is they always gap up or gap down, and that exhausts most of the bigger moves, in my opinion, that these stocks see. Like yesterday, you know, it had a great gap up. Sure, it opened, it ran up a little bit for 10 minutes, and then besides that, though, it didn't really do much the rest of the day. I found most days that's the case. You know, BABA will move a lot around open or right around open, and then for the whole rest of the day, it does nothing. So let's see what happens here. Maybe it'll... Looks like it's kind of fallen back off here, but I heard China got some pretty good news. Like I said, though, I don't recommend playing these stocks. I just think that they're too iffy for me. I'd rather trade the SPY or something like that. But, yeah, I will say, though, we had some pretty good movement this morning. You know, the stock market's holding up. SPY is holding above 380 in a pretty big way, but it is now dipping down a little bit at open. But at least heading into open, you know, we were holding up pretty well, kind of like yesterday. You know, yesterday we were also holding up, doing very well, and then just tanked off. I hope that that's not the case here today, but that does worry me that that can happen. Yeah, just keep in mind, guys, that's a pretty scary thought, because yesterday I couldn't believe how good we were moving up, but then today we just rolled right back over, or yesterday, you know, middle of the day, right back over. Terrible sell-off, though. I mean, I just can't believe that these big stocks just keep going down. But today, looks like they're going up, like Apple, Mike. Whoa. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. What's going on here? Whoa. What the hell, guys? MSFT, Microsoft. Oh, shit. Whoa. Damn, guys. Microsoft is getting straight up destroyed right now. Holy shit. Wow. I mean, it is like getting hit hard, guys. Harder than anything else I'm seeing at the moment. Wow. Jeez. What else do we have running down like this? Microsoft's leading my watch list to the downside. Like what? It's leading my watch list to the downside. Like, that is insane. Cannot even believe I'm saying that. I cannot believe that Microsoft is dying like that. That is terrible. I can't. Wow, guys, that is scary. That's pretty scary to see. Apple's running up though, so I don't know. Let me see if there's any news with Microsoft here. Sorry, guys. Uh-oh. They near their workers' union debut. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Unions are never good for these stocks. Uh-oh. Not for the stock, anyways. I'm not going to argue about unions, but if for stocks, it's not generally good. Damn. That's too bad, guys. Sorry, I had to grab a drink. Had to grab my Monster, of course. Wow, that's terrible, though. I can't believe that, guys. Yeah, Spy might be responding to Microsoft. Jeez, it's responding in a good way. I'll take that. Good thing Spy's going green. I mean, thank God. It's going green, though, because every other bigger stock's going green. That's good. Warren says his snow puts are doing fantastic. Hey, good morning, though. Luke, Goose, Warren, Krish, Bill, Peter, Marty, Keisha, Whitney. Thank you guys for joining up. Chris says Microsoft was downgraded. Damn. That's not good. Yeah, I see that now. Okay. Yeah, they lowered the price target to $250. $250, that's over 100. That's pretty much like 100% from where it is now. Very close, like 90% or like 95. That's weird. Let's see. How's Starbucks? Whoa, look at Starbucks going. There we go. Hyrule asked if they gave ER yet. I couldn't tell if he was asking about Microsoft or not, though. I didn't see anything like that today. All right, let's see. Snow puts. Snowflake. They must be dying. Yeah, Snowflake really is dying off. That's terrible. Damn. Keisha says she scalped some calls. Nice, on Bank of America. That's what she was playing yesterday. Are you playing it again today, Keisha? Or are you just talking about yesterday on that? Man, sorry guys. I'm having a tough morning with the allergies, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. Pretty insane. It was like 0 degrees at my house the other day. Now it is, well, of course it's not going to show yesterday's. Yesterday, guys, it was 70 degrees in Missouri. And then it went all the way down now to, lows of 33. I don't know if that's it or what, but man, it's got me sick. Kind of sick, I guess. I'm not sick, but just hard to talk a little bit. That's all. So if you guys notice anything weird, that's why. Apple lost a Starbucks of evaluation, though. That is hilarious. A Starbucks of evaluation. I like it. That's right. Kind of is. It was a venti. They lost a venti, Krish. Cornish knows all about those ventis. What's up, though? Do you guys like that stuff? You guys like Starbucks? Let's see, where is Spy at right now? Let's get a poll going. Spy's right around 384. Will Spy break 384 and run up? Yes, let's break. Or you can vote no. Fall back down towards 380. Or we can do no, stays the same. Or we can do no. We'll have a fourth one. Since I already clicked it, I can't get it away. We'll do okay. Here we go, guys. Here's the poll. Check out the poll. I think you'll like it. Oh, it's a grande. Oh, that's right, Bill. I forgot they have grandes and ventis and fuck, I don't know what else they got. Gee. Bill says cafe mocha grande extra espresso. Damn. Extra espresso, Bill. Come on. You gotta watch your health, Bill. No, I'm just joking. Extra espresso. I've actually been looking into getting a coffee maker. Maybe we should buy one. Coffee maker. Here we go. I'm not getting those K-cups. I've already had that. I can't do that again. Let's see. Oh, this one's 400 bucks. I thought that one looked kind of cool. Of course, I thought it looked cool. What the hell? These things are expensive, guys. What the? Mr. Coffee. I think my grandpa used to use that brand. These things are pretty... Some of these things are so cheap it blows my mind, and some are so expensive that I can't believe it. This is kind of cool. I want to make some espressos. Huh. 15 bar fast heating. I don't know what that means. But... With whipped cream, they said. Venti caramel something. I can't spell it with extra shot. You guys said you hate ordering at Starbucks. Let's see. Starbucks. I love watching those things with those funny orders. Starbucks funny order. This is so funny. You guys will get a kick out of this if I find the right one. Oh, please. No, that's not the right one. Darn it. There's one of these that are hilarious. I'll know it the second I see it. Uh-oh. Okay, I got Starbucks water thrown at customer. Here we go. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Oh. It's not going. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This is my favorite one. The lady who made this deserves a motherfucking reward. I'm serious. You guys will love this. Okay, here we go. I know Cornish will love this, my pumpkin spice guy.
How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. And you had the medium ice white mocha with 2 extra shots, 2 extra scoops of vanilla soft top, and caramel drizzle, and extra sugar sprinkles. Yeah, that's me. Oh man, not again. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. And you had the medium ice white mocha.
This was Apple yesterday, guys.
2 scoops of vanilla soft top, and caramel drizzle, and extra sugar sprinkles. Yeah, that's me.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
Oh man, guys. The way she says oh man like hits me in the soul. Oh man. That hit to the face with the with the drink, it was like Apple yesterday, Jesus. Look at Apple today even. Now it turned back over on us. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Bill says my son bought me an espresso maker. It helped me with trading. That's funny, Bill. It'll keep you focused and you don't gotta go get it now. There you go. Marty says I go in and ask for damn chocolate milk. What? Chocolate milk. That sounds good. That's funny though. Man, S-Bucks even fell. Yeah, I guess Microsoft is starting to weigh in on some of these other stocks. Holy jeez, guys. I can't believe it's moving this way. Wow. Don't forget to vote in the poll, guys. Vote in the poll about SPY. Right now, a lot of people are saying fall back down to around 380. Wow, okay. All right. I was expecting a lot of people to vote on it going up, but interesting. Yeah, keep voting. If you guys haven't voted yet, please check it out. We only have 8 votes right now. We have 9 likes on the stream as well. Come on, let's get up to 10 at least. That'd be sick to get up to maybe like 10, 15 likes. That'd be awesome. Thoughts on Tesla? Wow, PayPal is going though, Keisha. Jesus. And Boeing. She said Boeing as well. Check out PayPal and Boeing, guys. She was on fire with Bank of America yesterday. PayPal and Boeing. Marty says, thoughts on Tesla? Tessie. Yeah, let's see. Wow, Tesla's running up here today. I feel like Tesla's a little bit underrated in the short term. I feel really bad because they keep dying off, obviously. I really do feel like the Tesla will start to have a couple of green days come in here shortly. Maybe in the next... sorry, guys. Maybe in the next, like, 15 days or so, I feel like Tesla will start to turn around a little bit. Maybe kind of like get, like, some price action. Kind of like they had in October. You know, like, I'm not saying that they're going to, like, fly up, but I feel like that they might consolidate a little bit more, start to maybe push a little bit more back up. You know, I don't think we're going to, like, get all the way back up to, like, 200. We might, but I think maybe, like, a retest of, like, 125 and then 140. Maybe 150 would be awesome. You know, something like that with Tesla. I'm kind of waiting for them to turn around back to the upside, if that makes sense. At this point, they're down so low that I'm not trying to play them down anymore. I'm just trying to, like, wait for a potential move back and then maybe get back in. But I'm not getting in yet today. You know, this move yet is not overly convincing. It does look nice, though. Like, if we see another push intraday above the high of day or something, I feel like you could maybe trade that up to, like, 117, 120, maybe somewhere up there. Warren says, what about NIO? Good old Neo. Let's see. NIO. One of the OGs on the EV stocks. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's doing all right. It had that big jump this morning. It gapped up with China stocks. The daily is just tough with this one. Inside of the range that Neo's in right now, there's been a lot of times in the past where we saw Neo within the same exact range just consolidate for like 10 days in a row. So I'm still a little bit worried about the consolidation, but I am kind of leaning back to the upside here, especially with the China stocks moving up, like Baba, Queb, JD, Baidu. All these stocks gapped up today. It was awesome. It was actually great. Like, look at Baba. It had a nice gap up on the daily, looking good. Now, I don't like day trading these stocks because I feel like most of the moves happen with the gaps that go on because it's a China stock. It trades overnight. Yada, yada, yada. You know, like when our market's closed, their market's open. So whenever we wake up, these China stocks gap all over the place. So that's why we constantly see gap ups and gap downs with these. So it's just not my favorite, but I feel like Neo is also set to maybe do pretty well. I'm kind of with you, Warlen. I kind of do feel like that it's down. It's really, really low. It's down a lot, and I kind of feel like it's setting up for a possible, push back to the upside here sometime shortly. I like it. Keisha says, nice recovery on Target. They fell in pre-market. Wow, Target's been amazing. They've had like 4, 5, 6 green days in a row. Nice. Yeah, they're probably going to end up red today. After going green that many times, but who knows? Maybe they'll end up green. You're right, though. That's definitely recovering. That daily chart, that candle looks messed up today. Fell off, and it's trying to push back up now. Trying. Man, I think you guys will be really happy either later this week or early next week. You guys are gonna love the new bot coming out. I'm telling you. I think you guys will love that. All I'll say is we already have the free day trade. There's something else coming out. Something else coming too. For the free section of the chat. As well as the premium section too, but free section is gonna also be getting something. That'll be sick. Here we go. We had a nice play yesterday on Meta. It was actually awesome. Got Meta on that big dip in the morning, traded it back up. It actually ran a lot higher than 33%, but I think most people would have taken profits around 33%, so that's kind of what I'm going with there. So 33%. Pretty awesome, though. We traded the 123 calls. It kept messing me up in the head because I kept saying the 1, 2, 3s. I kind of like that. The 1, 2, 3s. It's kind of cool, but yeah, we got the new sniper bot coming out soon. You guys are going to love that. I'm serious. You guys will love it. Love it, especially the day traders out there. Day traders out there will think it's awesome. Keisha says, nice support form in Costco, COST. Costco at 453.60. Yeah, I mean, there's a big support here, Keisha. Right around 450, honestly. 453.60, 450 on the daily. I mean, man, there's a big level all around here. It actually might not be bad for calls, Keisha. This might not be too bad. I kind of like that support. I'm a little bit worried about that support finally breaking, but man, I like it. Wow, the poll is like dead even right now, guys. Dead even. 45% of you said yes, let's break 384 and run up. 45% said no, we'll fall back down, and 9% voted no, stay the same. Wow. I always have to find something for the fourth option, and it's once you click on it, you can't take it away. So like I always click on the fourth option. I don't know what to put in there. So I just put Microsoft in there today, considering it's dying. Man, Keisha, that support though. Not bad on Costco. I like these retail stocks. Love the retail stocks. Hey, nice nice Lake, thanks. That's awesome, yeah. Thanks for joining up, Lake, and yeah, like you said, even though you're usually quiet, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thanks for being here, though, Lake. Hopefully we can get some nice profits this week, kick off 2023 on the right foot. What I will say is 2023 should be a great year, guys. Now, it might be very up and down, very choppy of a year. Like, for example, we might fall in the beginning of 23, and then we might start to rip up a little bit more towards the end. But I feel like 23 is definitely going to be better than 2022. Now, I could be wrong. Could definitely be wrong. They're looking at the chart here. the way that we're coming down, like if we fell down just another year and consolidated a little bit within this wedge, I wouldn't be surprised really at all. So, you know, it does worry me in that case. And what's weird is that the edge points right to the beginning of 2024, which is very interesting to me. Right to the beginning of it, but yeah, in the shorter term though, seeing lots of price action down. I'm a little bit worried we're gonna have another mixed year, like I said. Probably gonna fall down, move back up. It'll probably end up being a year where the SPY hardly moves, honestly, because it'll be probably that choppy. Like I would bet towards like the end of 2024. I'm just giving a random ass guess out of my ass here, so don't like don't make any big decisions off this or anything. But I would guess that like the beginning of 2024, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a random guess that SPY is like right around like 400, maybe like 380 to 400, somewhere like right around there. I'd say like, yeah, somewhere like 380 or 400, if not a little bit lower. If not a little bit lower. I think we could see it lower, of course. I really do, but I think that'll be a nice, safer guess. A little while ago, somebody asked me where I thought SPY would be at the end of the year, and I remember I think I put it down for somebody to remind me. I think B Square or somebody came in the Discord and said something. Cornish actually messaged me about it too. I think I had said on the day SPY was down around 350, I said I expected SPY to be around like 330 to 328 or something like that to end the year. And man, I was off by quite a bit. Not a ton. I mean, I don't know. We're fairly close, I'd say, but I mean, not really. I definitely missed the target there, but I will say though, a lot of guesses like that are just pulled right out of my ass though, like that's what I like to tell people, like if you say, well, hey, where do you think SPY is going to be in 4 months? It's like, that's just a total guess, it's like me picking red or black almost. It's like, it really is. I'm just being honest, like if anyone who says that, I can try to look at some stocks and maybe formulate, well, I think this is going to go down and this is going to go up. So like, for example, like the stocks that I thought would go down went down, like Tesla died, Apple's falling off, Microsoft's falling. All the stocks went down. It's just that SPY's holding up a little bit more than I thought. But the stocks are going down, so interesting. But yeah, anytime people give you like targets like that, especially like in Discord, I always see people, they're like, oh, SPY is going to be at 375 by March or something, it's like that's just pulled out of your ass, pulled it out. Keisha says Meta is looking nice. Bill agrees with Lake Forest. Lake Forest, you keep reminding me that college basketball team or college football or just college in general, Wake Forest. Wake Forest. Yeah, Meta had a pretty good day. It's starting to fall back over now, though. Kind of reminds me of yesterday at Open. Ran up, had a dip down, and then went up more. It's kind of in the same exact type of setup today. Yeah, almost the same type of setup. Now, here's what's really interesting for me with Meta here, guys, is it's in like an inverse head and shoulders. Like, look at this. We have shoulder touch, shoulder touch. I feel like I drew something perverted here. I better get that off. Okay. There we go. That don't look as bad. Okay. Oh, jeez. Sometimes these stock drawings can be sus, guys. This is sus. Yeah, you can see all those touches though. And I really like that touch there with these wicks, like right off of 128. I think that's pretty cool. So inverse head and shoulders patterns are supposed to show stocks going down. So I feel like, wow, well, holy shit. Talk about going down now. Oh my gosh, guys. Meta just got obliterated on this 1 minute candle. Ooh. Oops, it's actually not an inverse. I meant to say regular head and shoulders in the chat. Regular head and shoulders. All right, guys, let me know what stocks you're watching. Let's see what we can find here today, though. I will say SPY looks like it's dipping back down. Microsoft's going lower. Apple staying the same, but that SPY is... They had a big red candle just like... Well, just like Meta, just like a lot of stocks just did, actually. Come on, DraftKings. Can we go up? Can we go up, please, DraftKings? Please? Hmm. All right. The data drops here. Let's see. Did it? What dropped? Oh, the manufacturing numbers? Okay. Okay. The manufacturing PMI. Well, hey, it brought in some volatility, that's for sure. Definitely brought in some volatility here. I'm waiting for that FOMC meeting later today, guys. The FOMC meeting coming out at 2 p.m. Eastern time is going to be huge later, so watch out for that. That's going to be even crazier, but yeah, the SPY kind of weird. It had just had some crazy 1 minute candles there. Apple's starting to dip back. Microsoft's really dipping again, though. This makes me... I feel like the market's going to kind of sink back down. Look at Microsoft again. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Wow. Oh, no. Not good at all. Jeez, jeez, jeez. Ah. The JOLTS job data came in 400K higher in job openings. Let's see. Oh, I see. Yeah, it did. Okay. That's good. That's a good thing, I think, in my opinion. Man, they're not reporting on it yet. What about Market Watch? Ooh, I want to see who withheld the votes from the speaker guy. Ha! Matt Gates. There we go. Interesting. I know this House Speaker thing has been going on for a while now. Yeah, there's no really reports yet on the jobs numbers. Damn it! I was hoping they'd have a little report out. I see what you're doing. I see what you're saying though. That data's definitely right there. Man, Microsoft getting destroyed, guys. 227. Wow. I can't even believe I'm saying it's that low here. I mean, we are talking low at this point. Like, damn. Such a sell-off. Yeah. Yeah, I would have thought the market might like that, Peter, but it's fucking falling. I'm with you. I kind of thought the markets might like it, but it does show that the feds are doing their jobs, though, you know, hurting the jobs market a little bit. Keisha says, do you think Microsoft is a prelude to the minutes coming up? Yeah, you know, it very well could be. I don't think that it necessarily is, but man, the minutes are going to be so tough here today. The minutes are so hard here to guess because it's like SPY has just been consolidating right down here, and I feel like that we're going to get a huge move in one way or the other today. Kind of looking for something like this to go on. Yeah, we need SPY to get moving, though. It really is kind of like stuck in a range right here. Really stuck. I think that once we see a good, clear break in one way or the other, we're going to be able to play and make a move off of this. Now, if the move is to the downside, it's going to be a little bit hard because a lot of people are going to be a little freaked out because, you know, there's so many stocks like Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, blah, 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 that have just been going down and down and down day after day after day. So if that happens with SPY here, you know, that's going to freak a lot of people out. And a lot of people aren't going to want to play things to the downside because stocks are already going down and put premiums are going to be expensive and etc. But I think that that's part of the strategy and part of the plan that, you know, you need to keep in your head is like, hey, even though the put premiums are going to be high and stuff, if the market starts breaking out of this range that we've been consolidating in back to the downside, we have to play it down, you know, and that's exactly, I think, what needs to be done if we start to see that move down out of the range. I'm really praying to God, though, that we have a fucking move up to the top of this range. That would be beautiful. It would be beautiful if we get a move up there, but it's a tough one. Not sure exactly what we're going to do here. Not sure what we're gonna do. You guys have any big games on tonight? Any big basketball games or anything like that? I know I have a big one coming up tonight. Missouri versus Arkansas, baby. Let's go. Both ranked. Arkansas is ranked 13. Missouri's ranked 20th. Very cool. They're predicting Arkansas to destroy us tonight. To just straight up destroy us. And that'll probably be what happens, to be honest. We're probably going to get destroyed, but it's okay. I think it'll still be a fun one. Let's maybe see what we can bet. Can we bet on it? Don't steal my info here, guys. No, I don't even play on here. They give me free plays sometimes, so I get on, but betting's not even like legal in my state, which sucks. Let's go see what the odds are, though. Maybe we'll throw some money on it. I'm just joking, guys. I haven't bet like this in a while. One time I made like $3,000 though on the betting, and I started with like 100, just for fun. I thought it was funny. What the hell? Where's the games? Here we go. Missouri State Bears. That's not what we want. We don't want Missouri State Bears. We want Mizzou. Here we go. Wow, they have Mizzou. Wow, this makes me want to bet on it, guys. I mean, they have us down. Wow, $100 would win $261. It's kind of good. It's pretty good. It's actually not bad. They're both ranked teams, and they have them down. They have them that much of underdogs. That's pretty damn good. All right. Wow, Spy, come on. Let's get helped out here a little bit. Apple's fallen, Microsoft. Oh, I'm hoping that's not a prelude to the minutes later. Remember the last FOMC meeting? Remember Powell? He was actually pretty good about the economy. You know, he was kind of happy with some of the stuff they'd seen. You know, they talked about scaling back the rate hikes to 50 basis points and all that. So I feel like the stuff that he said was fairly good. So maybe that'll be something that helps the market, you know, considering that he was fairly nice last time. I thought he was nice last time, right? I mean, I know the market fell down a little bit later, but when was the last meeting here? I think it was like December 14th, wasn't it? Oh, maybe he was bad. I don't know. Maybe he was negative. I just remember that, you know, they're actually scaling back now the rate hikes, which is nice. Good thing they're doing that at least. It's going to surprise some people, though. All right, let's go see what the bot has moving today on it, guys. Let's see what we have with momentum. Kind of momentum we have. The bot's calling out Microsoft puts, of course. I wouldn't trade that at this point. It's so low now. What about Amazon puts, though? It's got Amazon, Google, and Microsoft puts. Amazon and Google. Wow, okay. Everything's down so much now, guys. Just be careful trading puts right now at the moment because stocks are so low. I feel like we might get a bit of a bounce back up here, and I think we're starting to see that with a lot of stocks. Even Apple, Microsoft's even popping up a little. And Microsoft intraday looks like Tesla. Looks like Tesla from the past few days, how it died. Microsoft looks just like that. Yeah, those moves have bothered me. Oh yeah, I was gonna try out this new monitor, see if you guys liked it. Not new monitor, I have a new it's a new, what do they call these? Browsers. That's what they call them, browsers. Not browsers, browsers. DKNG, kind of bouncing off that $11 support. Not bad. Spies looks like it's doing all right. Spies just staying in the range. Spy, all right. What about, man, LVS is on fire right now. Man, the daily chart for those stocks like LVS, Win, stocks like that right now are just insane. Can't believe the green movement they're having. Come on. Knew I should have bought Win. God damn it. I missed my opportunity, guys. I saw it. We saw it bouncing off this lower level multiple times. I just didn't get in. Just did not get into it. It's been defying the rest of the market, though, that's for sure. All right, we got to clean this A and B chart up, guys. Hang on. Hang on here. We got to clean this shit up. That's cool. It makes a little sound every time I press a button. You guys like that or do you not like that? I like this browser, though. It's cool. It's called Opera. You guys should check this out here. It's called Opera GX. Yeah, here we go. I guess it's a gaming browser, but it's really cool. See, so look, you can like limit your network usage and all that stuff. So like Google Chrome, like here, let's go to look at my processes right now. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We'll show you. All right, so look at how Chrome is right now is taking up 1.9% of the CPU, and it's taking up 2.9 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, that's actually a lot. That's an insane amount of RAM being used by that right now. It's actually Google's taking up more RAM than the streaming software. So Google is harder to run than the streaming shit, which is very insane. But yeah, it's pretty funny. But yeah, it's using up a lot of RAM. It brought a lot of resources. Look right under it at Opera. Only 0.1% of the CPU, and only 849 megabytes of the memory. So pretty good there. What else can we see? Yeah, I guess we'll just keep looking at it this way. Looks good though. I love Opera though. It runs really well. Now maybe it's because I have a lot more Chromes open. That could be. Very well could be. Let me. I bet that's why, but still, I mean, it takes up a lot less CPU either way. It's kind of cool though. Lake Forest says my Mac is constantly giving me problems because of the amount of space Chrome uses. Yeah, Lake, try Opera. Try Opera. It'll be a little bit better, I think. At least a little bit. Like it says here, you can actually set your usage up. So like here, I'll show you guys. I can go up here to the top, go to full browser settings here. Okay, let me go to the advanced settings down here. Wow, this has a lot of stuff. This has a lot of stuff in it. Wow. Wow, I can't even go through it all, guys. There's so many settings. Oh, you can search it. Good, good, good. RAM. Where's RAM? I searched RAM. Come on. Oh, well. I know you can change it, though, guys, so it's really cool with that, because you can set it so that, you can set it up so that it won't use too much at one time, which is really, really useful. Marty said he's going to ask if I was clipping my nails. Is that what that sounds like? Does that sound bad, guys? Should I turn that off? Does that sound bad? I kind of like it. I'll just use Google, though. It's not a big deal. Google's not a big deal for me. Figured I'd show you guys that, though. I have like 64 gigs of RAM, so it's like, Jesus. Hey, Lake. Hey, Lake. You can't be saying that. Sorry, Lake. I like it, Lake. I like it because it's a China EV play, has a lot of momentum today. I think it looks pretty good. It's probably going to take a few minutes to get going, but I like it. No, it's all good, Lake. You can always ask me if I like it, though. And I think it looks all right. Holding up well. I like this support at like $10.20. Hopefully we can, if we like hold somewhere around here and then start going up, that'd be awesome. If we have a lower high and start dipping down, then I'm worried. So we're gonna have to see how it plays out here. I like it though. I think Zoom looks pretty good, or I think Neo looks pretty good. I like that support. I like the momentum. And I like this better than the other China stocks. Like, I like it better than BABA, for example, or Queb, or something like that. I'm not a big fan of the China stocks in general, though. I don't like trading them myself, so just how it is. But, yeah, I like trading the American stocks a little bit better. Now, I'm glad it's Neo, not BABA or something, because those stocks have such big gaps and stuff in the morning. It's like you can't even have any intraday movement, but yeah, Neo I like. Let's go check out like Tesla, because I know sometimes like these other EVs, yeah, see like Neo and Tesla have very similar charts today. Very similar from open. Like a big move up, move back down, now it's trying to retest the high. Very similar on the movement. What about Rivian? Yeah, kinda. Oh, that's cool. I'm glad it doesn't bother you, Marty. Let's go to Market Watch. What do we have here? Rosenblatt. These 4 chip stocks could double. Marvel and Nvidia. Yeah, well, I think that they're poised for big rebounds as well. I just don't know when that's going to happen. MRVL and Nvidia, though, are what he's looking at. I love Nvidia, guys. I think Nvidia is awesome. I think it's one of the best stocks in the stock market. Maybe not right now, but I think that it's an awesome, awesome stock, awesome company. I love Nvidia. I think that for the long term, it'll do pretty good over the long haul. We are in a whack setup right now, guys. I mean, we have had an insane recovery for like 10 years or something. I mean, wow. I mean, it's just insane when you look at stocks like Nvidia, Apple, AMD, Microsoft. Like the amount of growth that these stocks have seen lately over the past 5 to 7 years is just insane. It's insane. Like, look at the circle. Look at the circle I just drew. That is insane. If I literally just would have put money in Microsoft when I first started trading, I would have done amazing. I remember this, guys. This makes me sick to my stomach. I had like 10 grand put into AMD back whenever AMD was trading for like $9. Let's see what that would equate to nowadays. $9 is like what it was. To where it is now, that'd be like 600%. Up to the top, it would have been 1,600%, guys, on AMD. Obviously, I wouldn't have caught the top, but damn, there's some weird shit to think about, guys. Get in on these dips. I'm serious. These big moves down are going to make the best opportunities ever. It's going to be some amazing opportunities here. Keisha says, hey, Tom, will you come back live today at 2? No, I won't be coming live today, Keisha, again. Just because it's just the minutes. If it was like something a little bit bigger, I would come back. But the minutes is usually just a little report. So it's just like kind of like something just to read over a little bit. So I won't be back for that this time. But on the FOMC meeting days, I will be back for those. I'll be back for all of those. So that's pretty crazy, though. The minutes coming out. Hopefully the minutes help us. And I'm hoping. Man, I bought something last night, guys. I think you guys are going to be upset with me. I bought something from this company, licorice.com. They got me. They finally got me. I've been seeing these ads forever. I've been seeing these ads all over the place. We got some of these watermelon sour ones. We got some Australian red. And we got some, like a mixture of like black and red. But have you guys ever had these? If you've had this before, let me know. I want to know if it's good or not. It better be good, I'll tell you. I love licorice. I'm hoping it's good. They used to have this licorice made in St. Louis at the baseball game when I went, called Switzer's Licorice. Switzer's. It was awesome. Lake Forest says, say no to sugar. Oh, man, Lake. Lake, I'm drinking a Monster Energy right now. I'm having 54 grams of sugar, 58 grams of carbs. Man. Honestly, I'm not too worried about the sugar, Lake. I'm a very skinny individual and I work out all the time. It is a big thing to worry about, though. I keep trying to eat more protein, more food and stuff like that, Lake. You know, I'm not a big sugar person either, but I like little candy like that. Lake says, say it ain't so. Yeah, I gotta try to get those, I gotta try to eat more calories. It's so stupid. I don't gain weight unless I eat like 3,000 calories or more a day. And I'm supposed to eat like 4,000. IES, Marty says, hey, Tom, got the big money plays on the last few videos. WBD, Disney, IQ, YMM. They've been doing good the past few days. Wow, that's awesome. Let's go, Marty. Let's go. That's great. Yeah, WBD popping off. Here we go. Popping off. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's great. Good stuff, Marty. That's great, though. WBD, that's been one of Mike's favorites lately. That's awesome. Let's go, WBD. Keep running. I like it. I like it. Warren says, which monster do you drink? There's like so many different flavors now. I drink the original, Warren. Yeah, I drink the original. Here, I'll show you what I do. Here's what I get. Let's see. Let's do the math here. All right. Perfect. It's exactly the price I pay. All right, so let's do the math. All right. If I go to my gas station, one of these monsters, it's like 2 for $5. It's 2 for $5. So that would be $2.50 a pop times 12. That's $30. So I save money by buying the 12 pack from Walmart for $20. I end up saving $10. And that's if I buy two. I think it's usually like $3. So I'm really saving like 16. Because I usually don't buy like 2 at a time from the store. But yeah, I go to Walmart and I do it this way. I just get the original 12 pack right there. Lake says it hurts the brain. Go for fermented foods and fiber. Get the sugar from honey, very sweet and good for you. Yeah, that sounds good, Lake. I know funny thing you say that, Lake, is that my dad is actually a vegan because his kidneys kind of went bad, but he's like a vegan and he also, what's funny is he puts honey on like everything. And right now, it's funny you say that, he bought a whole bunch of Greek yogurt and he puts honey into the yogurt to like, flavor it a little bit. Kind of good though, good idea. But I just figured I'd mention that because I thought it was funny. Go for fermented foods and fiber. Yeah. I need something with more calories. Like what can I have that has a lot of calories? That's what I need. Let's see, foods with calories for weight gain. Here we go. Of course these. Let's gain weight fast. Homemade protein smoothies. I already know that. Milk. I like milk. I love milk. Lake, that's so funny you say that. He literally eats like all those things you say and he puts them all into like smoothies, and he literally had salmon for dinner last night. That is so funny you say that. Rice. Okay, I eat a ton of rice. That's one of my favorite. I eat chicken and rice all the time. I do eat a lot of peanuts, but I don't like a lot of the other nuts, really. I eat a lot of meat, too. I love meat. I love potatoes and starch. I love that. Salmon and oily fish. Okay, I like that, too. Dried fruit. Okay, now there's something I hate. I hate dried fruit. Ugh. I love regular fruit, though. I could sit there and eat more regular fruit than anybody, I feel like. Oh man, I love sushi too. Oh man, I might get some sushi for lunch today, guy. Oh man. Chicken and rice, Warren says. Yeah, Warren. Man, my girlfriend makes me the best chicken and rice ever. Man, it's awesome. Love the chicken and the rice. Let's go to Kellogg's with some talking about food. Oh, let's go to see McDonald's, MCD. Lake says avocados are awesome. Yeah, I hear that they're one of the best foods out there ever. My favorite superfood, which, superfood I'm putting in quotes because, people call it superfood or whatever. Not that I don't know if it really is or whatever, but I'm a huge fan of watermelon. Fresh watermelon. I am a firm believer that watermelon is like a cure for the human body or something. Like watermelon, strawberries, blueberries, banana, tomatoes even. I believe all that type of stuff is seriously like some of the I think now that's what I love to eat is stuff like that. Peter just ordered breakfast or off of Grubhub. Oh, Peter, you're wasting your money on Grubhub. No, I'm kidding, Peter. Man, I got on a kick one time, Peter, where I ordered it from Dash. I ordered it from DoorDash all the time. And I got on like a kick. And I think I spent like $300 in like a couple weeks just ordering food on there. It was crazy. Lake says great foods. Blueberries are a powerhouse. Awesome. Yeah, blueberries are one of my favorites, so that's good to hear. Man, I like eating blueberries just with a spoon straight out of the bowl. That's good. Peter says watermelon is the best for hydration. Okay. Hey, Lake, let me know how you like these things. Buy drinks. Wait till you see these. Look at these. Um, I think you'll like these drinks. They have these like blueberry buy drinks with like antioxidants in them. Man, I had one of these the other day, Lake, and they are amazing. Amazing, amazing. And they have like the antioxidants and stuff in them. No sugars, no artificial sweeteners, it said. I had the watermelon one, of course. I thought it was great. Nature's caffeine. What? 30 milligrams per serving. Okay. Antioxidants. See, I don't know about all that. Peter had the munchies. Oh shit, Peter. I get exactly what you're saying. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Marijuana is legal in Missouri now. Marijuana legal in Missouri. Does this mean you can buy it now? Sales are expected February 2023 at the earliest. Shit. Damn it, that's not what I wanted to hear. We can't do it till February. That sucks. Oh well. I guess everyone's waiting. Oh, I'm gonna go get some edibles, guys, when they legalize. That'll be funny. No, I'm just joking. I'll be dropping dead here on the stream. Wow, though. Marty, though, let's go back over some of those unusual options plays again. I know you said Disney as well. DIS. Wow. Disney's been flying up. Awesome stuff. Disney, there we go. IQ still going. That's crazy. IQ, YMM, XBI. Whoa, YMM really broke. Whoa, there we go. I didn't realize YMM came up this rapidly the past couple days. Wow. That's really big there. That $1.6 million play on those 10 strike calls is probably about to be doing fucking amazing. One more big Green Day out of YMM, and those $10 calls are going to explode in value. Wow. Yeah, the weird thing is that like Missouri just did it. So since they just did it, Peter, it's like there's something where like the dispensaries aren't allowed to do it till February, but it passed this year. So like it's technically legal, but like somehow the dispensaries like aren't able to like get like the license yet or something like that. Lake says erythritol, second ingredient. This is sugar. Yeah, I feel you, Lake. You're probably right. You're probably right, but I don't like that shit. I'm just kidding. Oh, I don't know about that coconut water, though. My dad always drinks that shit. Where is it? Let's find it. Coconut. It's called Cocoa something. It has a special bottle. Here it is. This is it. Vita Coco. That's it. I'll have to try it. I don't know. It don't sound bad. I mean, honestly. Oh. Don't I think one of my favorite drinks uses it. Now I know this drink's bad, but I really drink these body armors a lot. Body armor, cocoa nut. Okay. Coconut water. Here we go. Well, they have a flavor coconut, but they actually put like coconut water in the beverage though. Yeah, here we go. Body armor light. They use coconut water and all that. He says I like Vita Coco. That's good. Vita Coco sounds good. It's got 2 grams of sugar. I'm not that much worried about 2 grams. Let's see what else. Erythritol. Hopefully this doesn't have erythritol in it. Ester gum. Oh, it has stevia. So this has stevia in it. Stevia leaf extract. That's how they're sweetening this one. Oh, Peter, you're going to make me get sick. He says cucumber water is also good with lime. Yeah, I don't know about that, Peter. Oh. Cocoa water, cucumber waters. I don't know. That one sounds a little gross to me. One time I got this cucumber Gatorade by accident, and I didn't think it'd be that bad, but it was gross, at least to me. I feel like that's a very either acquired taste or something, but wow. All right. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up here. We have Apple back on the rise. Marty just said Microsoft's back on the rise too. There we go. Running back up, so looking pretty good there. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up on the stream today. Felt like it was a pretty good day. Had some good momentum, especially at Market Open. We had a lot of movement all over the place, up and down, but Microsoft was the king of the day here, stealing the spotlight, just dying off as the day went on. But have a great day, guys. Continue to kill it. Post those profits up in the Discord channel. I will be in the Discord, guys, for the rest of the day if anybody needs anything, so make sure to check that out. Also, guys, we are going to be releasing the Sniper Bot sometime really, really soon, if not the end of this week, early next week. But Sniper Bot is coming. You guys will love it. There's going to be something for the free guys as well, and even more plays coming out for the premium. So looking good, guys. I think you guys will love this, and let's keep killing it this week. Let's hope that the market can come back a little bit. Hopefully it can come back a little bit for us here, but that'd be nice at least today. But have a great day, guys. Keep killing it. Keep trading those puts, and let's go.